My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle has done 81,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the screen we can access CD, radio, aux, Bluetooth and menu. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.